So hello guys, this is Zatul from Bepractical Tech Solutions. Today we are going to see one question based on an array again. And here we have to find out one key element. If it is present inside the given array, then we have to find out the index position of this given element. Otherwise, we have to return return -1 from the given function. So if the key element is present in the array, then we have to return the index position. Otherwise, we have to display the message as a key not found. So let's try to understand this concept using the code. So let's switch to the Eclipse. Now here you can see this. We have one array and we have one key element. And what we have to do is like we have to write the code in such a way that we have to try to find out like whether the 9 is present in this given array or not. So if it is as it shows that this key element is not present in the given array, then we have to return -1, right? Otherwise, let's say for example, if the key element is present, let's say 5. So sorry. So if the key element is present in the given array, then we have to return the index position of that element. So let's try to write the code for this. So it's very simple. What we have to do, we have to iterate over this entire array and try to find out whether and compare the element one by one with this given key element. If it is fine, if we are able to find out, then we will simply return the index. So what we can do is like, first, let's iterate over the array. Int I equals to 0, I less than array dot length, and then I plus plus. And here I'm going to write like if the key element is present in the given array, then what we have to do, we have to simply return the index position, return I. Okay, otherwise, if the key element is not present in the given array, then we will simply return -1. So now let's check this code. Let's call this function as a search key element. And here we are passing this array and a key as an argument. Let me write this. Int result is equals to search key element, the function we are calling here. And then we will check that if the value of result is greater than or equals to 0, then in that case, it means that we have we got the key element. So we will simply print key element is present at index. Simply write the variable. Otherwise, if it is returning me -1 or any negative value, so it means that the key element is, since this function is returning -1, so if the result value is less than 0, then in that case, we have to print like the key element is not present in the given array. Key element is not present. Now just save this and let's run this in this code. Now you can see this, the key element is present at the index position 4. Let's count it 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's check that with the element which is not present. Let's say 8. Save this. And now again run that. So it has to show me the output as a key element is not present. And yes, we are getting this one. So hope you guys got this concept. We will meet again with some another exciting questions. Understand the concept. See you in another day. Thank you.